We have one. We have one at the house, and then we have one here. When the Aruba, the lady that is carrying the calabash to the river, so they will stop at our house, and they will still stop here, so that that issue will help her to go easily and come back
So
easily.
during the Oshun Festival, the Aruba, when she's coming from the Ata Oja, the palace, she comes here, she has to stop at Eshu first before she goes to Oshun. So she stops here, maybe give messages, maybe blessings, give offering, whatever, and then continue her journey to the river. So this is our family, the Ajalas Eshu from
They call it
Oshogbo. It's very important.
That is
our
that
family
is the
Eshu.
name of our house, our family house. They call it Ajono.
Y'all haven't been there. That's our family's house.
So